Hi there. Didn't see you over there. Children, if you're watching, I have a question to ask. Do you beg your parents to let you have chocolate at breakfast? And they say no? If yes, then keep watching this video, because we're going to make double chocolate chip muffins. Now you might have watched our previous muffin video, but this has twice the chocolate. Now first step, you need to wash your hands. Okay, we're gonna have 4 tablespoons of flax seed meal. Pour it in there. And 10 tablespoons of water. You mix it. And let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay, you want 2 cups of pumpkin puree or red beet puree or applesauce or any fruit puree. So let's pour that in. Now a half a cup of sticky maple syrup. Now 2/3 of a cup of light brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Watch the second to the bottom of the bowl. There we go. Now 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Half a cup of melted butter. And whisk for exactly 45 seconds. Now it should look like this. See it? Doesn't look very good, but it'll look good much later. Okay, now half a cup of milk made out of almonds. And mix it up until it's combined. What do you think? Is it combined yet? Yes? Okay, let's proceed to the next step, shall we? Here's 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now 2 2/3 a cup of flour, and make sure it's unbleached. Now let's mix until combined and do not overmix. This is not cake mix, it's muffin mix. Well, you can overmix, but it won't taste as good. You need, what was it? Oh yeah, 1 heaping cup, or you can just fill a bowl, a small bowl, like we have it right here. Dump them in. And you stir it. Yeah, now that's chocolatey. Ooh. I need to put the batter in the muffin cups. Now you need to preheat the oven to 375. Now let's put them in the oven for approximately 20 minutes. You have to cool for 20 minutes and then you can enjoy.